Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. This is a super simple look that I'll be showing you today. It's just the eyes are slightly defined and it gives it a nice touch. So if you'd like to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. This video was actually filmed back in December and I'm just now editing it. The first thing I do is put on my Temp2 Core 7 serum to hydrate my face. Then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. And I apply this as my concealer, obviously, duh, and highlighter. So I'm applying it under my eyes, my chin, my nose, my forehead, and blending this all out with an Eve Pearl 202 brush. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to set those places that I applied concealer to make sure that the concealer does not slip around, and then I'm going to dust it all off. Then I'm going in with my Temp2 Brilliant Glow, and I'm spraying this as an additional primer slash glow serum all over my face evenly. And I'm between two shades right now. The shades I used are 9N, and it's like a more cool toned tan color, and then the other shade is a 7, I believe. And this is more of like a yellow tone, so it gives me the perfect color. And the way you mix these foundations is you actually apply one layer of one color and then another layer of another color. Then I go in with my shade number 11 and I use this to contour. After contouring my jawline, I actually go in with a foundation brush and I blend this down into my neck so there's like no harsh lines or anything like that. Then I go in with Pink Pearl highlighter and I apply this to the high points of my cheeks and I circle it into the temples and the brow bone area. Look at that glow. Then I go in with my pale pink blush and I just apply this to the apples of the cheeks and I kind of blend it into the contour and highlight. Not pictured here is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo. You guys tell me to film my brows on camera, so ta-da, there you go. It's just a brow powder and I use this to define and fill in my brows. And I'm just applying some translucent powder all over my face to make sure that this isn't sticky and it doesn't move. It's just extra insurance for me. You don't really need to set it. Next, I go in with my Hoola bronzer and I'm using a Morphe, I can't remember the name of the brush, but I'll link it down below. This is going to contour my nose nicely to make it look like, you know, my nose is slimmer. I also use this shade in my crease, the crease of my eyes, because I want them to be slightly defined, but I also don't want to put in the work. Next, I'm going in with my Milk highlighter. This is the Flex highlighter. I can't remember the shade, but I'll list it down below. And I just apply this to the high points of my cheeks, just as an additional highlight, and then the bridge of my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm going in with a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I just apply this to my lashes to coat them nicely and make them look better than without mascara, duh. Next, I'm going in with my Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Sugar and Spice, and my Holy Grail Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. Last, I go in with my NYX Super Skinny eyeliner pen, and I just do the slightest little dragged out wing to define my eyes more. And that's it, guys. That's everything in this look. I hope you guys loved it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.